Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the exact process of claiming your earned Robux from Please Donate, because many players get confused when their balance doesn't update immediately. First, you need to understand that the Robux you receive inside the game is not added to your account instantly. Roblox has a built-in safety processing period for all marketplace transactions. To check your actual pending Robux, open any web browser on your phone or PC. Go to the official Roblox.com website and log into your profile. Click on the small Robux icon located in the top right corner of your screen and select your balance from the drop-down menu to open up your My Transactions page. Right there, you will see a specific section labeled Pending Robux, which displays the exact amount currently being verified. This processing phase typically takes anywhere from 5 to 7 days. Once that holding period clears, Roblox automatically transfers the full amount directly into your main spendable balance, and you don't need to manually click any extra claim buttons. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.